Okay, just go through the so number of apples and cost. I am making a one table in the board, that is number of apples by cost. Okay, so cost here, that is 15 210 315 and 315 420 and another is 525. Okay, 525. These are, mute your microphone everyone, mute your microphone everyone. Okay, so I have written that one. First of all, students, so I have drawn two lines on that. I have drawn two lines, that is x axis and y axis. X axis along this line, that is x axis, that is x axis, that is vertical line, and that horizontal line and vertical line, that is y axis. Okay, x dash and y dash, these are the x axis and y axis. And number of apples I am denoting that along x axis, number of apples, and along y axis cost. Okay, along y axis, that is, sir, who is Diksha? Okay, now how, first of all, one thing you have to know, how to mark the unit, Okay, so students, just mark it. So here again I am discussing that. So along x axis, that is number of apples, along y axis the cost of the apples. Okay, and what I've given, and I'm taking 1 unit along y axis is the cost, 5 rupees cost. 1 unit along, that is rupees 5. So that point, that is 1 unit. It's a one side of a square. I'm taking here 5 unit, 10 units. Second, that is 1 2 means 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees, 25. Along this way it is moving. Now, and the point what I've given, that number of apples 1 5 2 10 3 15. These are, I am framing them as a point, that is 1 5 2 10 3 15 4. 1 means that is along x axis, 5 means y axis, such that I will go. I have formed. Okay, now first point 1 5. So if you denote that 1,5 means along x axis 1, 5 means that point. Okay, that point. Next 2,10 means from 0 to start 1 2, 10 means 1 2, that point, that is the 10. Okay, next 315, 3 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3, then 1 2, that is 5 10 and 15, that point. Next 4,20, 1 2 3 4 and rupees 10, rupees 5 10 15 20, that point. Next 5,25, 1 2 3 4 5, then 5 10 15 20 25. Okay, that is the point I have plot. Now here question is draw the line. Now if I draw the line here just like this, such that okay, that is the graph. So it is moving this side and this side. Okay, so along x-axis, that is number of apples. Already I have written here along x-axis number of apples and y cost, and y in the y cost means that 1 unit equal to 5, 1 unit equal to 5 rupees. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Okay, next question. In the next question it is given that time in hours and distance at 6 a.m. distance traveled by a car at 6 a.m. that is 40 kilometer, at 7 a.m. 80 kilometer, at 8 a.m. 120 kilometer, and 9 a.m. 160 kilometer. 160 kilometer. Question is draw the graph. First of all, I am taking here along x-axis time and along y-axis distance. Along x-axis time and y-axis distance. Okay, first curve. Okay, so first step, along x-axis I will denote time, and along y-axis I will denote distance. Now framing the point now. So 6,40 points are 6,40, next point 7,10, 8,120, and 9,160. These are the point. Okay, so x-axis 6 means 6 mm. This 6, 7, 8 and 9, this will be put along the 780 is there. Yes, 780, sorry, 780. Okay, at 7 am it covers 80 distance. At 7 am it covers 80 distance. Okay, 80 kilometer distance. So 640, 780, 8, 120 and 9. So I have given their form as a coordinate. Next step, students, scale. I am taking scale equal to 1 unit. 1 unit equal to 40 kilometer. 1 unit equal to 40 kilometer. So it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Along y-axis means it will denote the distance, and x-axis if I take, that is 1, 2, square of side of the square 2, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now here it is 6 am, it is 7 am, it is 8 a.m., it is 9 a.m. and 10, 11 and going on. 10, 11 and going on. Okay. Sir, in y-axis 40 kilometer. Yes. Y-axis 40 kilometer. 780, 640. Any doubt, Chandranath? Any doubt? No, sir. Okay, very good. Next. So just put the point 640. So it is 640 means first 1 unit equal to 40 kilometer. That one will denote 40 kilometer. So that point. Okay. Next 780. 7 is this point and 80 means that 40, and next 2 will denote 80 kilometer. Okay. Next 8, 120. 120, that is 8, and 120 means 1, 2, 3. That 3 will denote 120. 960, 160. 9, 160. So 9, 160 means 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 160. Got the points? Got the points, everyone? Oof. Okay, now just add it. Okay, by the scale. Okay, I have joined and extend them. So it is the graph of that data which I have given. Okay, students. Now, students, some question have asked in part 2. In part 2, that how much distance, question 1, 2. Two questions are there. From the graph you have to answer. Okay. First question that is how much distance did the car cover during 7:30 to 8 am? 7:30 to 8 am, how much? $100 kilometer. Okay. Question is how much distance did they cover during 7:30 to 8? 7:30 to 8 am. 7:30 means here these two. Okay. How much distance covered from 7:30 to 8 am? What will be the answer? 20 kilometer. Yes, 20 kilometer, because students 80 and 120, so 40 kilometer in 1 hour. In 1 hour it covers in 1 hour it covers 40 kilometer. So 30 minutes it will cover 20 kilometer. Otherwise, if you want to show it by the help of the graph, so it is 7:30. It is 7:30, and just draw a line along this line. So that point will denote from that to only this difference between these two, that is 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer. Okay. And next question is, what is the time when car had covered distance 100 kilometer? What is the time when car have 100 kilometer? Tell me quickly. When it will cover 100 kilometer? Yes, 7:30. First of why it is 7:30? 100 kilometer means if I denote it one unit equal to 40 kilometer. So 40, that is 80, and up to this, if you draw a line, and along the line also perpendicular to y-axis. First from there, perpendicular to y-axis and perpendicular to y-axis. That line denote, that point denotes 730. That point denotes 730. So again I am telling it, repeating it. So it is the 100 kilometer. So draw a line on y-axis, or from here 40, 80. So between 2 and 3 in the middle portion will denote, middle portion is denoting 100 kilometer. So 100 kilometer to a perpendicular to the graph, and from that point to a x-axis. That point will denote the time, that is the in that time it covers 100 kilometer distance, and that point is between 7 and 8, so it is 730. Okay, got it? Got it, everyone? So students, question 1a and 1b I have solved this. Okay, next at your home you will try question C and D. Okay, any doubt anyone?